Continuing our apartment tours, we're here on Grace Seminary. Going to look at this garden level apartment. Wrigley Field is a block that way, along with the CTA Addison stop. The Sheffield stop is just 2 blocks that way. So come on in, we're going to take a look at this cute garden apartment in this building that's right by Wrigley Field. So this building is decorated with a lot of Wrigley Field pictures there. So there's some pictures, and these are like Cubs apartments. So come on down, this is a garden level, so I can finish basement. Come on in, take a look. All right, we're coming in. They've got hardwood floors in here. There's oak floors, there's air conditioning. There's a bay window. There are 2 bedrooms in here, so we're going to go down the hallway here. Here's bedroom 1. Pretty good size. That's a full-size bed. There's a closet there in the corner. Little countertop, nice bright window. And there's plenty of room for a queen-size bed there. Okay, we're going to step out. We're going to see the kitchen next. Here's the kitchen. It's got a dishwasher, nice cabinets, counter, refrigerator, plenty of room in here. All right, there's a closet there. And here's the bathroom, big bathroom with a tub, shower, massage, shower head, toilet over there. And then we'll step back out. That's the back door that goes out to a patio and the laundry. And this is the second bedroom. It's got double closets, hardwood floors. This room, plenty of room for a king-size bed over there. Queen or king or full. So that's, we'll walk back up here to the front. That's the back door that goes out to a small patio area. And the coin laundry outside, so you can grill outside. And we'll walk back up and take one more look at the living room. And here's the living room. And it's great to live in Wrigleyville. Have a nice day.